Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all the camera enthusiasts out there. We will be comparing two incredible products in the world of photography, the Canon EOS R7 and the Sony Alpha 7R versus. So, if you're in the market for a new camera, this video is for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let's get started. Starting with the price, the Canon EOS R7 comes in at $1,899, while the Sony Alpha 7R versus is priced at $3,899. It's important to note that the price may vary depending on your location and any bundled accessories. When it comes to the image processor, the Canon EOS R7 boasts the Digic X image processor, which enhances performance for sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R versus introduces a whole new level of camera intelligence with its eye processing unit. Both cameras offer advanced capabilities to elevate your photography game. In terms of the sensor, the Canon EOS R7 features a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and detailed images. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R versus sports an impressive 61.0 MP full-frame back illuminated XMOR CMOS sensor. Both cameras offer excellent image quality, but the Sony Alpha 7R versus takes it to the next level with its higher resolution. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras deliver exceptional performance. The Canon EOS R7 offers high-speed continuous shooting with mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 FPS. Its 5-axis image stabilization ensures shake-free images. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R versus features next-generation AF with real-time recognition autofocus and deep learning eye. Capturing fast-moving subjects has never been easier with these top-of-the-line cameras. If you're into filmmaking, both cameras have something exciting to offer. The Canon EOS R7 allows you to record ultra-high-definition videos, while the Sony Alpha 7R versus steps it up with outstanding filmmaking capabilities, including 8K at 24p 25p and 4K at 60p 50p. Whether you're a professional videographer or a content creator, these cameras have got you covered. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS R7 and the Sony Alpha 7R versus. Both cameras offer exceptional features and capabilities, catering to different photography and videography needs. Before making your final decision, consider your budget, your specific requirements, and the overall ecosystem of each brand. Which camera do you think is the winner in your opinion? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.